Aficionados converged at Zia Mohyeddin Theatre where NAPA staged a 90-minute-long play Bandhan directed by Hassan Raza. Based on a 1932 tragedy, Blood Wedding, penned by Spanish dramatist Federico Garcia Lorca, Bandhan attempted to address the presence of vicious violence in our society.
मुझे मेरी माया लगे। अगर मेरी माँ यहाँ होती ना तो बड़ा जलील करती। ये इंतहा जलील करती भाई तुम्हें बस। अरे यहाँ हंसना नहीं था।
Audience sense looming misfortune when the bride runs away from her wedding reception with her headstrong former lover who is married with a child and his wife is expecting once again. The men, bridegroom and the ex-suitor kill each other and their families grieve. Talking about the play, senior member of the cast Zain-ul-Abideen said, "It was to highlight the presence of violence in our society. For instance, aerial firing takes place even in weddings that even causes fatalities." It's a tale of a lady sought after by two men who ultimately kill each other. Youngsters need to understand their families will suffer due to their aggressive actions. That was the message of the entire drama. Performing arts rejuvenated here thanks to the efforts of maestros like Zia Mohyeddin, Arshad Mahmood, Rahat Kazmi, Talat Hussain and others. Many things were not acceptable till few years ago, but now parents encourage children to participate in such activities. A number of NAPA graduates are teaching at different schools. Then we have started Dastan Goi, storytelling, quite some time ago that is reckoned as a form of education by masses. NAPA offers 3-year courses. Initially, people made fun of those graduating as artists, but our work spoke for us. Now many are performing and doing well money-wise.